and about to check whether or not she got in Northwestern. This is gonna be the best fucking thing in my life.
If I don't get in, I'm actually gonna vomit.
Oh my god. Or do it on my computer. Oh my god! Mom! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom! Read it!
Oh my...
What? Wait. Look at my glasses.
You gotta get her glasses. You had a pair of glasses over here, Mom.
Okay, get up. What's the matter?
I'm shaking!
Okay.
Ah! Oh my God! How wonderful!
One second, I just need to call Alicia.
Oh my God, how wonderful!
I like how she had to get her glasses.
I know, 1 second, we just call Alicia.
Oh, how wonderful! How wonderful!
Oh my god.
Oh my God! How wonderful!
Oh my god.
Did you call your mother?
No, I'm calling Alicia first. Oh my god.
Oh, call.
Oh my god.
She's not calling your mother first.
Probably in a round right now. Oh god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, how wonderful!
Don't worry, we have the video to show your mother.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Oh god.
How wonderful. Let's print this baby up.
Oh
How do we do this?
Mom, what are you doing? No.
I was going to print it for her.
No.
No, guess not, huh?
Mom, you don't.
Oh. Print it so she can take it home with her.
Oh, that was print.
I'm shaking. Oh my god. I'm literally like look at my hand right now.
Oh my god.
Look at my hand.
Oh, how wonderful.
Oh my god, Alicia.
Congratulations.
I'm probably around right now. You probably won't even check your voicemail because they're probably gonna call me. But oh my god, I got into Northwestern. I got into fucking Northwestern. Oh my god, call me back as soon as you can. Bye.
Oh, Ann, call your mother.
Call Annie.
No, I have to call Danny. I love how I'm calling my friends before I'm calling my mom.